Batch 7 confirmed.
Looks good. Proceed to the next stage. That's our premium roast. Perfect, thank you. This view is absolutely breathtaking.
This is the best coffee in the city.
I completely agree.
I think this color palette works perfectly. This is exactly what I needed.
From the iconic skyline to the bustling industrial district, Dubai is home to the largest luxury coffee factory in the Middle East.
Morning, everyone. Great news on the merger analysis.
Success is all about the finer details.
Dubai is the perfect hub for that. Let's make it happen.
Indeed, let's begin.
I really want to go to the park later, Dad. We can definitely do that after we finish eating.
This is so good!
I'm glad you like it, sweetheart.
This view is absolutely breathtaking.
I know, Dubai never fails to amaze me.
To great coffee. To great coffee and even better company.
I swear, he actually tried to pay the bill with a coupon.
You're kidding me. You're kidding me. It was the funniest thing I've seen all week.
This is the perfect way to end the day. The ambiance here is unmatched.
Absolutely stunning.
To friendship and golden hour. Your premium gold coffee, madam. Enjoy.
Thank you.
The moisture content on this batch is slightly elevated. Yes, let's double check the drying time on the tablet.
Welcome. How may I serve you this evening?
We would like 2 of the signature cappuccinos.
Did you hear what happened with the Peterson account?
Oh yeah, apparently Susan told him exactly where to stick it.
Here you go, 1 cappuccino.
Oh, perfect, thank you. Mom, can I have more juice?
Perfect. Now let's capture that rich golden crema.
All systems are operating perfectly.
Experience the height of sophistication. Every bean tells a story of pure luxury finest. Dubai Nights, perfected by our master roasters.